Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to stop Android from showing suggested photos on lock screen wallpaper. If you were irritated by wall photos notifications on wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, so let's see how you can do this. First, you have to open your settings app, or you can directly open the settings from keeping a lock, press on Photos app and then select About Info, and here you just have to select permissions, or you can select notifications, tab on it, and here you just have to disable this setting. And after doing this, you will not show any notification or photo suggestion on lock screen wallpaper or home screen wallpaper. So that's how you can easily fix your problem. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.